Hi guys, in the previous video we discussed on patterns of petals, right? Petals of flowers, right? So in this video we'll discuss some more examples of patterns how we observe in the real world. Okay, so honeycomb having 5 holes in the first row, 6 rows in the second row, 7 holes in the third row. Okay, so I have drawn a rough figure here. Okay, how the honey bee, the holes of honey bee looks like. Each and every hole, it looks like a hexagon shape guys. So each and every row it will be in increasing in order with a certain pattern. Okay, suppose the first row it may have 5 holes, the second row it may have 6 holes, third row it may have 7 holes, and fourth row it may have 8 holes, and like that. So it will be in the increasing order, or in nothing but increasing order or decreasing order. It is following certain pattern. Okay, so these are all the concepts you will learn in this chapter guys, in these progressions. Okay, these are very new topic to you, because in the previous classes this topic never used, right? So this is a very new topic for the 10th class batch. Okay, see the next example. The number of unit squares in the squares with sides 1 to 3 units are respectively. So what does this mean? Suppose there exists, if you are considering a unit square, okay, of one side, okay, how many squares we may get? One. If you take two sides, okay, so you will get 4 squares. Similarly, okay, in this, what is mentioned? For one side, 1 square. For two sides we have 4 squares in nothing but 4 boxes. For 3 sides we have 9 boxes in nothing but 9 squares. For 4-sided figure we get the area of 16 squares boxes. For 5 sides we'll get 25 squares or 25 square units boxes. Okay guys, so in this it is following some pattern, right? So what is this pattern? Did you observe? It is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, like that. So it is a square format, square pattern. Okay, how we can solve these type of sums, you can observe in the further videos guys. So first of all you should understand the concept, what is that usage of that topic, and what way we can use this topic. Okay, okay, so I hope you understand these examples in this video. So okay, in the next video we are going to start the basic exercise of the chapter. Okay, and thank you for watching guys. Thank you.